If you're new to my YouTube channel, please click that subscribe button and remember to click the bell icon to get notifications of all my uploads throughout the week. It's Monday and we're taking Bentley to the vet. It's time for his boosters, his flea jabs, well, his kennel cough jabs and his thing for fleas and grubs and ticks and whatever it is. So, oh, it's a bit dark in here today. That's better. Anyway, so we're off to the vet. You'll get fat.
Fatter.
It's Tuesday and Mr. Bentley's playing hide and seek amongst the laundry. It's Wednesday and it's about 20 to 4 and I'm on my way to see Mum and Dad. So back again. Back to the normal routine, so hopefully we'll be going shopping, having something to eat, I'll be staying over and then coming home again tomorrow morning. So if Mum and Dad are both up for it, well enough and in the right frame of mind, you may see them later. It's 8 AM and I've just left Mum and Dad's, just round the corner. It's freezing this morning, not warm at all. It's been raining overnight. It's just, the air is just chilled. It's cold, cold. Now 5 minutes past 9 and I'm back in Leeds, but instead of coming into Leeds from the south like I normally do, I've looped round the outside and I've come in from the east because there's lots of roadworks and bad traffic, so I've kind of avoided that, circumvented by whipping round and coming in, because I live or we live on the north side of the city, so I've kind of looped around and then come in from the top end of the eastern side, if you like. So I'm now just going across that bit to where I live. So I should hopefully be home in about 5 or 10 minutes. Poor Mr. Duck. Come on. Don't want to be out here any longer than we need to. It's Friday morning, and as you can see, it's raining. Somebody is not a happy bunny, but he's still got to go for his WALK, whether he likes it or not. Come on. Come on. So we're back from our walk. I didn't get too wet because I had my coat and my hat on. Mr. Bentley, on the other hand, got fairly wet. His head, his legs and his tail were drenched. So we've had to give him a really good rub down, and now he's quite happily sat in his bed recuperating after his walk. And I'm having breakfast. Toast and marmalade, but I won't eat while I'm talking to you. So I've got the day to myself today. Ian's got a 3-day steampunk event over in Whitby. So he's going to be there for the entire weekend, back Sunday night. Well, say back Sunday night. He's coming home every night, but it finishes on Sunday, so he'll be back home, if you know what I mean, on Sunday. So I've really got the next 2 or 3 days all to myself. Friday being a normal work day, I've got mostly computer stuff to do today. I've got accounts to catch up on, I've got day job stuff to do. I've just got loads and loads of things that's going to keep me busy right the way through until tea time, or until somebody wants to go back out for a WLK. And then by that time, I'll have to start preparing dinner for when Ian comes home. So kind of pretty full day today. Saturday I have planned a journal making day planned, because I've got lots of papers to tea dye and that kind of stuff. So I'm going to be very, very busy tomorrow. Saturday, just gone lunchtime. Well, I say just gone lunchtime. I've not had any lunch yet, which is why I've come out. Mr. Bentley is fast asleep, curled up in my bed. And I've just nipped out to run a couple of errands. Mainly go to the post office, send a couple of quick parcels off, but also to grab some bread because I've got nothing for lunch. What little bit of bread I had left has got mould on it, so I'm not eating that. So I've thrown it out for the squirrels and the birds so they can eat it. And just very quickly, I'm just nipping up to the local shop to send these couple of parcels off and also grab a fresh loaf. And there's nothing in the freezer. I thought there was some bread cakes in the freezer, some bread buns, but there's nothing. So I've got to go grab some of that before I can even have my own lunch, and then get back to doing more tea dyeing this afternoon. I'm hoping to get enough papers done today for at least 3 journals. Busy day. Who is he? Who is it? Come and get him then. Come and get him. Come and get him. Ready? So it's Saturday afternoon, and had a fairly productive afternoon so far. I've managed to get enough tea-dyed papers to do another complete journal, and I've actually had time to sit and stitch in the signatures on this one. This is another field note journal with some beautiful vintage butterfly and dragonfly images in there. So that one is for another commission, but I'm not saying who it's for because that would be a bit unfair until they'd seen it. But I've also got chance to do, or I have had chance to also make the cover. Haven't had, yes, thank you. Haven't had chance to gild the front of that one, but also I've also been able to do another one of these French script book cloth covered ones, too, with an elasticated coin closure kind of thing. So that's what I've been doing today. I did manage to finish one of the journal, which I've actually photographed and actually posted off, which was one of the things that you saw me posting earlier on. So that managed to get that done too, but I did take some photos, but I can't show you that one until the lady has received it. So a very, very busy Saturday so far. And now, seeing as Mr. Bentley is barking at me, it means either A, he wants to play, or B, it's time for another WALK. So I'd better go and find out what he wants. I'm coming! Oh, you've got Mr. Dolph, have you? I guess it's play, not walk. Look at the state of this bed. That's you, mush. Sunday morning, I'm out with Mr. B again. So sun's shining today, which is nice. It's a change from the rain. So we're just having a little bit of a walk. I've already had some breakfast this morning. Go on. I've already had some breakfast this morning, but he hasn't. So he's probably waiting till after he got back. Go on, keep going. We're a bit stop-starty this morning. So yesterday I spent most of the day doing the book stuff, as you've probably seen already. Doing plenty of tea dyeing and cover construction, that kind of thing. You'll be quiet. Shh. Wait there. It's another doggy. It's a bit dark here as well, so I'll hang on a bit. The usual attempts at doggy greetings, barking, wagging of tails and stuff. So go on. Anyway, what was I saying? Yes, so doing more cover construction, that kind of stuff. So I kind of got really caught up in it. I'm working out different ways, different sizes that I could do the journals and books and that kind of stuff. So I've got a couple of ideas. I got so wrapped up in it, I completely forgot that I hadn't actually done an art journal page for Saturday. Whoops. Ian got back at about, what time did he get back? About 7 o'clock at night, and I was still doing on the dining room table. Hadn't even started tea. I'd also like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, without whose generosity and support these videos would not be possible. Thank you.